Good morning, students. How are you all? Beta, welcome to the GK tutorial. Today we will do current affairs of PT2. Today we will revise current affairs of PT2. Beta. Yes. Now first is, who is the librarian in charge of your school? Who is the librarian in charge of your school? Answer is Mrs. Vijay. Vijay. Mrs. Vijay. Question number 2. Who is the medical in charge of your school? Who is the medical in charge of your school? Answer is Mrs. Balbir Kaur. Who is the medical in charge of your school? Mrs. Balbir Kaur. Now third is, how many clubs are there in your school? Third question is, how many clubs are there in your school? 7 clubs. How many clubs are there? 7 clubs. Clear? Question number 4. How many students are there in your class? How many students are there in your class? 50 students. 50. Question number 5 is, name one amusement park of Jalandhar. Name one amusement park of Jalandhar. Nippo Park. Beta, you can write down the name of any amusement park of Jalandhar. You can write down Wonderland also. Clear? Who is the librarian in charge of your school? Mrs. Vijay. Who is the medical in charge of your school? Mrs. Balbir Kaur. How many clubs are there in your school? 7 clubs. Next is, beta, how many students are there in your class? 50 students. And last is, name one amusement park of Jalandhar. Nippo Park. Is it clear, beta? Now you will learn these current affairs. And bache, now we will do lesson 2 and lesson 4 of unit 4. Clear? Now we will revise lesson 2 and lesson 4 of unit 4. So beta, look at the screen carefully, bache. Now beta, first we will revise chapter 2 of unit 4. Chapter 2 of unit 4 is classical dances of India, beta. Different states of India are famous for their different classical dances. And we will study different dances of different states, beta. Now first is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam dance belongs to Tamil Nadu, beta. Bharatnatyam is a major classical dance form of India. It belongs to Tamil Nadu state. It is used to express Hindu religious stories. Clear, beta? Bharatnatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu and this dance is used to express Hindu religious stories. Next is Odissi. Odissi dance belongs to Odisha. Mostly women wear a bright colored patta sari. Odissi dance belongs to Odisha, beta. Next is Manipuri dance. This dance belongs to Manipur. Manipuri dance is originated from the state of Manipur. This form shows the dance drama of Radha Krishna in a very colorful costume. Clear, beta? Manipuri dance belongs to Manipur state. Next is Kathakali. This is a dance form from Kerala. It is a story play with unique dress, colorful makeup, costume and face masks. Kathakali is a dance form from Kerala बच्चे. इसमें बहुत डिफरेंट सी यूनिक सी ड्रेस डालते हैं और फेस जो है बेटा वो मास्क से कवर होता है. क्लियर बेटा? नेक्स्ट इज कथक. It is a dance form found in northern India. It is famous for its unique footsteps and graceful movements. In this, both Hindu and Muslim cultures can be shown. Kathak is a dance form of northern India, beta. Clear? Next is Kuchipudi. It is originated in a village Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh. It is a dance drama with its roots in Hindu Sanskrit text in Natya Shastra. Kuchipudi is a dance from Andhra Pradesh state. Next is, beta, we will learn some blanks of this lesson. Bharatnatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu state. Kathakali dance belongs to Kerala. Kuchipudi is a famous dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kathak is a dance form of North India, beta. Again we will revise different classical dances, बच्चे. Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh. Kathak is a dance form of northern India. Kathakali is a dance form of Kerala. Manipuri belongs to Manipur state. Manipuri dance belongs to Manipur state, beta. Next is Odissi. It is a dance form from Odisha. Mostly women wear a bright colored patta sari in this dance performance. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu state, beta. Clear, beta? In this chapter, we have studied different dance forms related to different states. Yes, beta, now we will do lesson 4 of unit 4, traditional sweets of India. What is the name of the lesson? Traditional sweets of India. Beta, what do you mean by sweets? Sweets are the things in which main ingredient is sugar. ठीक है बेटा, जो मीठी चीजें होती हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Sweets. Today we will study the different traditional sweets of India. Now see beta, first is Rasgulla. First is Rasgulla. Rasgulla is considered as a bhog of goddess Lakshmi. Next is coconut laddu. Laddu is a favorite sweet of North India. And coconut laddu is made up of coconut. Next is gajar ka halwa. Beta, gajar ka halwa is mostly prepared and enjoyed in Punjab. Next is jalebi. Jalebi sweet has been originated from Iran, but now in most of the states in India, all the people used to prepare this sweet during festivals. Next is pinni. Pinni is prepared in North India and it is eaten mostly in winter. Then beta modak. Modak belongs to Maharashtra state and it is considered as the bhog of Lord Ganesha. Clear beta? Next is Kaju ki barfi. Kaju ki barfi is liked by all the Indians. Next is Sandesh. Sandesh is a Bengali sweet. Next is Ghevar. Ghevar is enjoyed during Tej festival in Rajasthan. Ghevar is an Indian sweet which is mostly enjoyed in Rajasthan state on Tej festival. Today beta, in most of the states, every sweet is prepared and enjoyed. Next is fruit custard. Fruit custard has been originated from UK. Next is kulfi. Kulfi is an Indian sweet which was first prepared in Mughal Empire. Next is gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is considered as the sweetest sweet of India because it is full of sugar syrup beta. Clear? Now once again we will revise. First sweet is gulab jamun. Next beta kulfi. Fruit custard. Most of the children like fruit custard. Next is ghevar. Ghevar is enjoyed mostly in Rajasthan state during Tej festival beta. Next is sandesh. Sandesh is a Bengali sweet. Kaju ki barfi. Then after that modak. Modak is considered as the bhog of Lord Ganesha. Next is pinni, mostly eaten in North India during winter season. Then beta next is jalebi. Jalebi is prepared during the celebration of each festival. Next is gajar ka halwa. Gajar ka halwa is prepared mostly in Punjab. Then coconut laddu, again prepared and enjoyed in North India. Then beta, rasgulla. Rasgulla is the bhog of goddess Lakshmi. Clear beta? Now beta, we have revised lesson 2 and lesson 4 of unit 4. So beta, you will revise these lessons and current affairs for revision test 2. Clear? That's all for today beta. Have a nice day.